guys, and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. This one is for my April premium box. You may have noticed I have not done one for my April base box, and that's because I'm apparently not getting one this time. I got screwed out of it because I was too patient, and I waited too much time before reaching out to them being like, hey, so, never got a confirmation or a tracking number on that. Is it possible you could tell me when I'll be getting that? And they're like, ooh, yeah, we see that it never shipped. Problem, we're sold out of the April base box, so we're gonna just refund you for that. Sorry. I had add-on items in that one that I was really looking forward to. Kind of sucks. But anyway, ever since then, I have had zero chill, and if it hits day 15 with no tracking number for either of my boxes, I'm like, boom, on it, like, hey, where is it? And they get it taken care of straight away. So, I mean, yeah, just throwing it out there. If anybody else has that issue with them, do not hesitate. Day 15, write to them. Anyway. So, we've got our little card with the sweet treats on it. Very cute. I have the prices that stuff is worth and a little info about them. So just reaching in at random, we've got from the brand Incredible, the Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo, which I'm very excited to have, and I definitely almost bought in the Ipsy flash sale pop-up thing. I'm glad I didn't because I got it in here. So this, let's see here, is worth $24. The glossiest roller ball to date has landed with a crystal roller ball to cool and soothe lips. The glassy formulation is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras, enriched with nourishing and hydrating properties. I just love that I've got one with, I think, rose quartz in it and one with amethyst. I love both of those stones, so I'm like, hell yes, bring it! So, we've got that over here. Reminds me of those from that, gemstone collection from, what brand was it? Wet n Wild? But it was the perfume rollers that had those little stones in there. Very similar. Okay, this, let's see here, from Lux and Willow, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, Lux and Willow 4-piece reusable bamboo makeup removal pads. These are worth $20 somehow, which is crazy to me, but I mean, they're surprisingly soft, actually, which I was not expecting. I thought they were going to be very rough, so I like the softness. So let us read about them. These antimicrobial and hypoallergenic reusable bamboo pads are designed to remove makeup, cleanse, and apply toner while reducing waste for the environment. Use the mesh bag included to machine wash and dry. Which is also amazing because I actually don't have a lingerie bag. I really need to invest in one of these days. So for stuff like that, that's great that it actually came with that. Next, what's this? Coral palette. Ooh, what could it be? Oh, okay, I know what this is now. This is a Natasha Denona palette. Holy crap, I feel so bougie just even holding this. It's her coral palette. And even though it's only 5 pans in there, this is worth $48 fucking dollars, guys. Yeah, it's like that. A 5-pan eyeshadow palette that features 5 buttery soft shades that blend seamlessly in order to create vibrant, ultra-pigmented, long-lasting looks. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Okay. That middle one especially, look at that. Look at that. Okay, alright, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Especially in the later summer, starting to fall into fall. I feel like these colors, I'm going to be all about these colors then. So, alright. What have we got next? From Joseph Colors. Whoops, dropped my thing. This is worth $15, and it is an eyeliner. Okay. I think it's a brown. It just says unbox on the bottom of it. Is that the color name, or... That's funny if that's the color name. Oh. Unbox eyeliner. I don't know if that's just the eyeliner line or if it's the color name. How do you... Does it... Oh! I'm stupid. Oh, it's kind of like a reddish brown. Alright, that's kind of interesting. Look at that. Alright. It's almost like maroon. Okay. This long-wearing creamy eyeliner glides on easily, delivering a transfer-resistant, high-coverage matte finish, built-in sharpener included. Wait! Is that in here? I don't think there's a sharpener. No. It's gotta be in the back. It's gotta be in the back. Yep! Oh, I like how many of these brands are doing that now. I am all about the built-in sharpener. Hail to the yes. Okay. So that's kind of cool. And then this is from Iconic London. It's their Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. This is worth $62 for this big guy. This eyeshadow palette is the perfect summer companion. The 20 highly pigmented shades in a selection of mattes, shimmers, and glitters will make your eye look pop. With a fine silk-like formula, the range of versatile shades take you from day to night in an instant. Ooh, even this is shiny, shiny. Pretty, pretty, pretty. What kind of colors will we find here? Ooh, okay. Okay, alright. Yeah, those are some fun summery shades. I like that. And the color names are Pool Party, Summer Lovin', which just makes me want to start singing Grease, like right here, right now. Coral Reef, All Nighter, Summer Glow, Ibiza Nights, Beach Bronzed, Bikini Babe, Seashells, Moonlit, Sun-Kissed, After Party, Sandstorm, Havana, Heat Wave, Ultraviolet, Tan Lines, Mimosa, Tequila Sunrise, and Aloha. Oh, that one's gonna be so much fun to start playing with. That may be one of the next ones I open, actually, after I finish putting my current Violet Voss one that I'm working on through its paces and get it all reviewed up. And then, is this the last thing in here? Let's see. I think so. But this is like the money product. This is worth $135 fucking dollars. And it's by 111 Skin. It's their Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask 5-pack. So let that sink in. There's only 5 masks in here. And it's worth that much money. That is insane! Why is it worth that much money? The ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance-boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. Originally created as a limited edition item, this mask has grown into a global cult product and a staple in 111 Skin collection. That is insane. Alright, well, I would never in a million years spend that much money on this bougie of a mask, but, apparently I have it in my possession now, so that'll be a really special one to do, I guess, and I should probably save it for sometime that I need to look really good. Like, maybe I'll do one as, like, a test run, just to make sure it doesn't, like, break me out or anything, and then, like, hold on to the others for before, like, special events, holidays, birthdays, something like that. If Kimmy gets married sometime soon, you know, stuff like that. Anyway. So that was everything in my April Boxycharm Premium box. Hope that you guys enjoyed watching this just as much as I enjoyed looking at the stuff and will enjoy using them. What are you the most excited to see me review first? Let me know down below, as well as anything about anything. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time. Bye.